Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Modukola Kunle, and on this channel, I share the best travel updates, fully funded scholarships, and international opportunities to help you see the world. Now, I know I've been away for a minute. Life happened, but trust me, I didn't come back empty-handed. I have an absolute banger for an update for you today. If you've been dreaming of traveling to Europe, specifically Europe's most beautiful country, Norway, completely free of charge, then you need to sit tight and watch this video till the very end. Today, we'll be talking about ISFiT 2027 or ISFiT 2027. This is an international student festival in Norway. This is the world's largest international student festival. And the best part, it is fully funded for selected participants. They cover your flight, your feeding, your accommodation, and your visa cost. Plus, there is zero application fee. Yes, you heard me right. Zero application fee. So, if you want to know what this ISFIT is all about, who is eligible, the theme for the 2027, and exactly how to apply so your application stands out, keep watching. And please, if you are glad that I am back, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who needs to leave the country soon. And also, I have a compilation of videos from previous scholarships. Some of them are still on, some of them are coming on very soon. Please go through my videos on this channel and watch them so that you can be able to apply to other scholarships. Now, let's dive right into why we are here. Let's go. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is ISFiT or ISFiT? It stands for the International Student Festival in Trondheim. I don't know if pronounced that correctly, but this particular location is in Norway, and it happens every 2 years in Norway, bringing together over 400 students from all over the globe. This isn't just your regular boring academic conference, it's a massive festival featuring interactive workshops, cultural events, concerts, and debates. You get to meet young leaders from over 100 countries, networking and discussing global issues. But why should you apply? Number one, the networking is unmatched. You get to meet different people from different parts of the world and connect with them. Number two, it looks incredible on your CV or resume, especially if you plan to apply for a master's degree or a PhD scholarship later. Number three, it is completely free travel experience. It is a free travel experience. You get to experience Norwegian culture, see the snow. If you are traveling from a tropical country like me, if you are coming from Nigeria, Ghana, from Africa, you get to experience snow, especially if this is your first time of experiencing snow. And also, you get to make lifelong friends from this conference. So, every ISFIT conference has a specific theme. Why the theme for 2027 is changing winds. And this ISFIT is going to happen on the 11th of February to the 21st of February 2027 next year. So, here is a rundown of what the ISFIT is all about. Like I have said, it is an invitation to reflect on a world shaped by political change, climate changes, and shifting global realities, and on the role young people play in navigating and shaping the future. So, this is the theme for the ISFiT 2027. Like I said, it is called Changing Winds. So, you need to choose a workshop that aligns with your passion, your field of study, or your volunteering experiences. During this festival, you will spend your mornings in these small workshop groups. Now, for this year's theme, which is Changing Winds, it is majorly on political change, climate changes, shifting global realities, and the role of young people playing in navigating and shaping the future. So, inside this, there are numerous workshops. When you get chosen for this conference, you need to choose a workshop that aligns with your passion, your field of study, or your volunteering experience. During the festival, you will spend your morning in these small workshop groups of about 20 people, brainstorming solutions to real world problems. This is where the real magic and deep connections happen. Now, let's talk about who can apply, because I know you are already asking, Modupe, am I eligible? First of all, here are the requirements. You must be a student. This is a student festival. You can be undergraduate student or a master student or a PhD student. As long as you are enrolled in an higher education or higher institution at the time of the festival, you are good to go. Now, for the age limit, usually participants are between 18 to 35 years old. And for English proficiency, sorry, you don't need an IELTS or a TOEFL exam, but you must be able to speak and understand English, because that's the official language of the festival. You don't need IELTS, you don't need to write IELTS, you don't need any English certificate. As long as you can read and write English and you studied in English, you are good to go. And like I said, people from Africa can apply for this. I'm doing this video for participants in Africa, India, all other parts of the country. Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Sierra Leone. As long as you speak English and you studied in English, you are good to go. You can apply to this scholarship. Now, and you are a student, you are presently a student, either a master student, an undergraduate student, a PhD student. As long as you are a student, you can apply. Now, let's talk about the money. ISFiT offer financial aid to participants who need it. If you are granted financial aid, it covers your round trip flight ticket from your home country to Norway, accommodation, usually with a Norwegian host family, which is an amazing way to experience the local culture. You get three square meals a day. All festival events and workshops are free. It's covered by the organizers of this event. They also provide you with a visa invitation letter to ensure your visa process at the embassy is smooth, and they reimburse your visa fee. So you are the one that will pay for your visa fee, but they will give you a invitation letter that will make them to approve your visa. So you don't need to worry, your visa will be approved. Then you will be the one to pay for your visa fee. But when you are done paying, they will reimburse you for the payment of your visa fee. I don't know if you get it. You get back your money. So how do you apply? The application process is entirely online through the official ISFiT website. This is the official ISFiT website. I am going to be dropping the link in the description box. So please go on there and apply. Application is free of charge. You don't need to pay anything. Sorry, I'm speaking through my nose. I have like runny nose, so that's why I'm speaking through my nose. Yeah. Because the conference is in the early 2027, like I said, the conference is starting by February 2027. Applications typically open at around, well, as I'm speaking to you, the application is opened right now. Application for the ISFiT 2027 is opened on June is 7, 2026. So right now, I will be posting this video around from 11 to 12 of June of July, sorry, 11 to 12 of July 2026. So you still have enough time to apply. The application does not take long. I have run through the application. It doesn't take much. It's not like you have to be uploading plenty documents. You just have to show that you are a student, presently a student. Is that university, undergraduate, you are an undergraduate student, or you're a postgraduate student, is that master's, PhD, that's all. They will need your study certificate that shows that you are in school, you are in uni, which can your admission letter can serve as your study certificate. Sorry, your admission letter will serve as your study certificate. So you upload your admission letter, and the application portal will be available through our website. Like I said, I'll be dropping the link, and open until August 2nd, 2026. August 2nd, 2026. That's the last day of application. So please do well to apply. Apply. If you are seeing this video, if you come across this video, share to people that need to apply. All you need is if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if for study certificates, because I know that it's not all schools in Africa gives study certificates, but your admission letter can suffice for your study certificate. You can just scan your admission letter and your school ID card. Your admission letter and your school ID card. You can put everything in one PDF. Make sure everything is in one PDF. Join everything, merge the two in one PDF and upload, so that your admission letter and um your ID card, student ID card, will serve, both of them will complement each other and they will serve as your study certificate. Now, if you are studying outside of Nigeria, I don't know if they give study certificates, but you can also do the same thing I have said. And if you are studying in London, maybe you are your master's in London, I know they give study certificates for people outside of Nigeria, outside of Africa. So you can, snap your study certificate. And because I know that Finland gives study certificates, you can snap your study certificate, scan it, and turn it into PDF. Mind you, all this must be in PDF. So the merging would be in PDF, and then you upload it. So, like I said, around 4,000 applicants, 400 applicants, and the festival is free of charge, like I said. So please do well to apply to this scholarship. So there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know about the ISFiT Norway 2027. This is a life-changing opportunity, and because there is absolutely no application fee, you have zero excuses not to try. The worst they can say is no. But what if they say yes? Imagine yourself in Norway in 2027. I will drop the official link of the website in the description box, like I have said below, so you can bookmark it and apply. Start preparing your mind and your CV. You actually really don't need your CV. All you need is your study certificate, and then you answer some few questions on the website. They will ask you some questions. You can always use ChatGPT to rephrase the answers, but make sure that your answers are unique and organic to you. Just rephrase it, and it will make it look better. And apply for funding, because there are like steps there in the application. You see where they say, do you need funding? Yes, you need funding. Apply for funding, full funding. Don't apply for partial funding. Apply for full funding, and tell them the reason why you need the money. Tell them the reason why they should give you the full funding, because full funding is limited and they are going to pick people that really needs it. Show them the reason why you need the full funding. You are from Nigeria, the economy is bad, you cannot afford it, but you really want to go and you really want to contribute, because you are there to contribute, to lend your voice. So give them a reason why you should go, and that's just it. That's it, really. And you are done. You applied. You don't know, you might get it. You can't get it. People from Africa are getting, people from Nigeria are getting it. It's like an holiday trip, but this one, you are going to go and network. So why not? If not, you get it and you go. They pay for everything. So thank you all for watching this video. And if you have any more questions, please leave it in the description, leave it in the comment section. I'll be going through the comments and I'll be answering all the questions that I see there. So yeah, and if you need a one-on-one talk, you can book a session. Email me on my email. My email address will be in the description box below. I do not have a WhatsApp group. I do not hold WhatsApp group. Just email me. I'll see your email and then I'll reply you. Or you can just ask your question in the comment section and I will answer you or get to you, or give you more information. So thank you very much and bye bye. See you in the next video. Yeah.